Hi guys! So today's video is super duper exciting for me. Parang ilang araw or ilang linggo ko na to, mga 2 weeks ko na tong parang nakabinbin. Yan. So nabasa yun man sa title. Today's video, i-explore natin lahat ng klase ng lip products ng O2O. Lahat ng type. I'm not sure kung ito na yung lahat, pero ito lang kasi yung parang nakita ko dun sa pag-explore ko. I'm pretty sure I missed 1 or 2 types. Kasi I've been wanting to try O2O Cosmetics kasi nakikita ko na may mga YouTubers, vloggers na nagtatry doon and some of them got impressed or something like that. So nung napunta ako sa Lazada, napansin ko na parang ang dami nilang klase ng lip products. Tingnan nyo, oh. So sabi ko, unahin ko muna yung lip products. Addict talaga ako guys sa mga lip products. So in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung packaging and everything and which one works and which one do I recommend, which one will I buy more shades based on my experience. Yes, tinry ko sila lahat in 1 week. First I got is itong Revolution lipstick from O2O Cosmetics. By the way, ano ba yung O2O Cosmetics? Makikita nyo ito sa Lazada and sa Shopee. They are super duper affordable but they are from China. I don't know much about the company, pero ang masasabi ko lang is all their products are affordable, like super duper affordable. The first lip product na ipapakita ko is yung kanilang Revolution lipstick. 3.5 grams. Mag-expire siya sa 2020 and the packaging looks like this. Creamy Badass Luxury. Our pigment infusion system delivers insane color payoff with creamy shine, plumper, and nourishing oils. Leave lips cushiony, soft. So, dito mo makikita yung ingredients that is so freaking hard. Nabasahin kasi nga shiny shimmering yung packaging. I got the shade in RGL01. So, pag tinignan nyo, ito ang kanyang itsura. Shiny shimmering package na medyo ma-oily. And then below is the shade. Shiny shimmering siya, pero alam mo yung chippy pie na shiny shimmering. And ayan yung lipstick. Sorry, may swatch ako dito. So, i-apply ko muna ito for you guys. So, ang price ito is 116 pesos according sa Lazada right now. And don't be fooled you guys kasi dito sa Lazada, ayan. Kasi dito sa Lazada nakasulat O2O KISSPROOF Lipstick Matte 20 colors, long-lasting, yada yada. Pero hindi siya kiss-proof, alright? It's just a typical lipstick na actually meron siyang ma-oily yung feel niya. Para siyang may moisturizing feel or something like that. Pero hindi siya kiss-proof. And it's definitely not matte. I'm pretty sure ito yung in-order ko kasi pag tinignan ko yung shade, andyan yung RGL01. So, don't be fooled kasi hindi to kiss-proof. Tadang! Pero, I like it kasi it has a very, very moisturizing effect. Pero ito, pag kumain ka dito, burado to. As in, tanggal. Isang kainan mo pa lang, gone. You're gonna ask me kung mararecommend ko siya. Ako personally, hindi na ako bibili ng ganito kasi ayoko ng, alam mo yung super duper madaling matanggal. Pero kung gusto mo ng moisturizing, like nourishing, ayan o, soft, smooth na lipstick and you don't mind kung hindi siya kiss-proof and madali siya matanggal, you don't mind reapplying countless times throughout the days depende sa ginagawa mo, yeah, sure, go purchase it kasi mura lang siya. It's just 116 and ang daming colors na pagpipilian. So, yun ang masasabi ko dito sa O2O Revolution lipstick. Again, don't be fooled. Ang nakasulat sa Lazada is O2O KISSPROOF Lipstick Matte. Kaya ako naman siya in-order dahil doon, but it's not. Ang dali niyang tanggalin. Next product is itong 2-in-1 matte lipstick and liquid lipstick. The packaging, sorry, ang shiny shimmering. The packaging looks like this. Meron pa siyang nakasulat na rose gold. Powered by nutrient-packed coconut oil. It helps condition and reinvigorate lip volume. But the product looks like this. Ito siguro yung pinakamadalas yung nakikita sa Lazada na product ng O2O. So over here on one side, we have the lipstick. By the way, I got the shade RGLL in number 12. And over here sa side na to is yung liquid lipstick. So, una kong ipapakita sa inyo yung lipstickable. Smells good, by the way. Ito palang isa. Mabango din siya. So this is the lipstick. I can actually feel yung moisturizing kinemerot niya. Yung coconut-infused chokchak chenes. Because compared dito sa lipstick na to, this one is less oily, less slippery. It has a creamy texture. Hindi siya parang one swipe, full pigment, covered na yung lips mo. You're gonna have to do a 2 or 3 layers to fully cover your lips. So if you have dark lips or something like that, kailangan mong, alam mo yun, swipey, 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 swipey. It's not totally matte. It has a little bit of shine to it. Ngayon, let me show you the liquid lipstick. Actually, gloss daw siya. Okay, try natin ipatong on top. So, this is what it looks like with the gloss. It actually looks nice. It actually looks pretty and juicy and all that. It made my lips a little bit plumper. But then again, this is just like any other lipstick na madaling matanggal, pero mag-iwan siya ng very slight tint kapag nilayer mo na ganyan. You can actually, etong gloss is pigmented enough on its own. You can use it on its own without the lipstick. So, depende siguro sa'yo anong mas bet mo, if you want the bullet type or if you want the liquid lipstick type, or you can layer it together. But do I like it? Yeah, I kind of like it. I kind of dig it kasi 2-in-1 siya. And ang kanyang price ay I forgot to mention. You can get it for 99 pesos. Meron siyang nakasulat na original price 300, tapos merong 67% off. Pero honestly, ang tagal-tagal na nitong 67% off. So, you know, I think it's 99 pesos. What I just don't like about it is hindi siya matte, okay? Gaya ng sinasabi dito. O.Two.O 12 colors easy to wear matte lipstick. No, hindi siya matte. And nakakaloka kasi merong video na nagpapakita na it's like waterproof and then parang KISSPROOF, but honestly, just so you know, you've been warned, it's not KISSPROOF. Recommend ko siya kasi nga mura lang siya. And madali siyang tanggalin. Ayan na. It's not even a makeup remover, this is just baby wipes. Alright guys, so next lip product na ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung kanilang, ito yung tinatawag nilang Resplendant Heart Sparkle Mirror Lip Gloss. Okay, let's settle for mirror lip gloss. So the packaging looks like this. It is so pretty, so simple, and I got the shade 04. And you guys, wait, let me swatch it for you. Look at this gloss. Right off the bat, sasabihin ko na I love this lip gloss. I love it because hindi siya ganun ka-sticky. Parang creamy type of lipstick lang yung feel niya. And parang nabawasan niya yung mga linya sa labi ko. It makes your lips juicy, plumpy, and hindi siya sticky eh. Alam mo yon? I really love the formula of this lip gloss, and I really like the pigment. Hindi ganun ka, alam mo yun, hindi ganun ka OA yung pigment niya. It's gonna give you a hint of color, but parang, alam mo yun, super duper fresh lang. So, depende sa'yo kung gaano mo kadami ilalagay. Pero ako, full pack on because I like my lips really juicy. And the best part here is yung price niya, dito sa Lazada, ang pangalan niya ay Lip Gloss Sparkle Liquid Lipstick Shine. Ang labo, diba? Pero dito, it's called the Mirror Lip Gloss. So, I got this for 126 pesos only. And marami pa siyang shade. And dahil nagustuhan ko siya, bumili pa ako ng 2 or 3 shades pa. So, I highly recommend itong lip gloss na to. I really like it. I really enjoyed using it. Next lip product is this one right here. This is the Velvet Lip Glide. Yun yung nakasulat sa packaging. And it looks like this. Another very nice and sleek packaging. Ito hindi siya mukhang masyadong chipipay. Sa packaging, it's called the Velvet Lip Glide. Pero my God, dito sa Lazada, it's called Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, Sexy Colors. I got the shade VLG 22. Let me swatch it for you guys muna. So, ito ang kanyang applicator is just a short doe foot applicator. So this is the shade VGL 22 ng Velvet Lip Glide. And honestly guys, gusto ko yung formula nito. Merong pros and merong cons. Ang pros niya is it's very smooth, it's very creamy, it's easy to apply, it dries into matte, and it's not drying on the lips. Ang con lang na nakikita ko is it's not super duper kiss proof. Hindi siya hindi siya matatransfer gaya ng typical lipstick. Pero, kapag kakinis mo yung back ng hand mo, magkakaroon pa rin ng marks. Here, let me show you. Ayan, meron pa rin ganyan. Pero hindi naman like, mawawala siya agad-agad. Now, hindi rin siya food-proof, pero hindi siya ganun kadaling mag-fade. If you know what I mean, yung iinuman mo, yung kakainan mo, magkakaroon ng mga marks na ganito. Pero in short, hindi siya super duper mabilis mawala. And I really love the formula because it's very comfortable on the lips. Mas drying pa yung Vice Cosmetics na liquid lipstick. I'd rather buy this, I'd rather get this than yung Vice Cosmetics na Velvet Liquid Matte or yung kanilang liquid lipstick itself, because this is much more comfortable and much more long wearing compared dun sa Velvet liquid lipstick. And you guys, ang price nito is 130 pesos. It's so affordable and ang daming shades na pagpipilian. It has 12. Yes, it has 12 colors. I'll definitely get other shades when I have a chance. The product is yung SUPERLASTING Matte Liquid Lipstick. The packaging looks like this. Pero yung box niya yung packaging na mismo product looks like this. Meron siyang nakasulat na rose dito. And then liquid lipstick, rose gold. And then liquid lipstick dito. And then dito yung shade. And I got the shade RGL 08 for the SUPERLASTING Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now for this one, I don't like the smell. Hindi ko alam kung lahat ng ganito has the same smell o baka ito lang. Pero ang baho niya. Like, amoy chemical. So this is what it looks like. You guys, I love the formula. It's so creamy. It's so easy to apply. It's so easy to blend. And ang bait niya lang sa lips. Pero I really don't like the smell. So, hindi ko to marirecommend just because of the smell. And, hindi ko sure ha. Siyempre, hindi ko sure kung lahat ay ganito. Pero, alam mo yun? And I don't know bakit ganun yung smell niya. Hindi siya amoy expired, pero amoy chemical na nakakahilo. Alam mo yun? Okay, so for this one, this is another liquid lipstick na long-lasting. But, actually, medyo maghahawig sila ng lasting power. Pero, ito has a thicker, creamier. This one has a thinner, mas lightweight. So, kung papipiliin ako, ito, I don't like this. I don't like this. I'd rather go for this one. Ang ganda sana ng formula niya, but I really don't like the smell. So, I don't want to risk buying another one na ganyan. At ang nakakaloka guys, sa Lazada, ang pangalan niya is O.Two.O 12 colors KISSPROOF Lipstick Lip Tattoo Makeup. Hindi ko maintindihan Lazada kung bakit, actually O.Two.O, bakit ganun yung naming nyo sa Lazada. Pero pagdating ng mismong product, iba naman yung pangalan. Ayan o, may video pa na waterproof daw. Pero, it's not totally kiss-proof. Right, so we are down to the last product that we have. And this is called, dual yung packaging. Ito puro Chinese. And dito merong English translation. But we have the Liquid Matte Lip Lacquer. And I got the shade VML 07. It looks like this. Ayan. Shiny shimmering. And dito yung shade sa baba. So, medyo hawig siya nito. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila, this is medyo frosted yung packaging. And meron nga nakasulat na rose gold. Doe foot applicator. Pretty short. This is what it looks like. It dries into a matte finish. And honestly, you guys, I love this. I really, really love this. Ito na yung pinaka-normal sa lahat na try ko na liquid lipstick. So, i-compare ko siya dito sa liquid lipstick na to. Pareha silang maganda. Pareha silang long-lasting. It just so happened na this one is much more long-lasting compared to this one. Ito kasi pag kinis mo yung back ng hand mo, may kita mo pa rin siya. Pero with this one, ito dito ko kisa. Ayan. Kiss-proof siya. Pero, it's not necessarily food-proof. Kasi pag kumain ka, pag nabasa to, pag na-oilihan to, mababawasan at mababawasan din siya. But what I love about this is, it has a really nice finish. Alam mo yan, parang, sa malayo, parang hindi makikita yung lines ng lips mo. Pero syempre, pag lumapit ka, makikita siya. Pero ang ganda lang talaga ng finish niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-matte niya. It's lightweight, it's comfortable. Although, kung medyo chappy yung lips mo, medyo may hirapan kang gamitin to. So, make sure mag-exfoliate ka. Para alam mo yun, huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo. Para maganda, smooth, flawless yung application niya. I really like this. I highly recommend this sa lahat ng tindry ko. Ito yung talagang pinaka nagustuhan ko. Sa sobrang nagustuhan ko siya, bumili na ako ng other shades. Wait lang this costs 130 pesos. And I think you guys, it varies. Kasi nung nabili ko to, it's 109 pesos. Pero ngayon, 130 pesos na siya. Pero discounted price pa rin daw yon. So, nag-iiba-iba siya. Pero the most important thing is, it's affordable. And again, iba na naman yung pangalan niya dito sa Lazada. Ang pangalan niya dito is O.Two.O Liquid Lipstick Waterproof Long-Lasting Matte Velvet. Pero in real life, it's the Liquid Matte Lip Lacquer. As simple as that. So again, this is the shade VML07. And then, I'm going to swatch the two more shades that I bought. I have VML03 and VML04. This one is nude. This one is also nude but deeper and brownier. Look at this shade, you guys. It's nude, but you don't look dead. And it's warm tone pa rin. And I really love it. It's good for medium to pale to light skin tone. Hindi ko sure sa morena. I think this is going to be a little bit light sa morena. Or merong binabagayang klase ng morena. But I love this. Highly recommend this shade, yung VML03. Alright guys, so this is VML04 and it is a burnt orange color that I really love, I really like. It's probably because of the formula. Again, it's not totally food-proof, waterproof, ganyan. Mababawasan siya throughout the day. But it's very long-lasting for the price point na 130 pesos. Actually, when I bought it, it's 109. What else? Ayun pa lang, sasabihin ko na, ito ang susunod nating testingin yung mga lip products ng Focallure. Hello! Guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating beauty adventure and hopefully nakatulong ako, nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung anong klaseng mga lip products meron ng O.Two.O. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and abangan nyo yung susunod. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!